Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable auto-detect workouts on your Huawei Band 9. So the first step is to access the apps menu. And then from here, you want to scroll down and you want to select settings. Under settings, you want to look for the option workout settings and tap on it. Then from here, you should see this option auto-detect workouts. So as you can see, it's currently enabled, which means that I receive a notification on my band every time it detects that I'm working out, whether it's swimming, cycling, jogging, whatever the workout is. Whenever my band detects it, it will send me a notification so that I can start the workout and the data can now be saved. Alternatively, if you want to disable that option, you can just tap on the toggle and it will be turned off. So now, even if you're starting a workout, you'll have to do that manually, as the band will no longer send you notifications as soon as it detects it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.